If you found this video, you'd like more information about your matter pending in Millford. For very serious, particularly very serious municipal court charges, there is a certain outline that you can expect will occur in your case. Let me give you a brief synopsis of what you may expect, both time-wise and procedurally wise, if you've been charged with drunk driving, for example, or minor possession of marijuana or hashish, or some other disorderly persons offenses such as shoplifting or other theft or assault, simple assault charges. The first thing is that every person has the constitutional right to be advised of the nature of the charge against them and the potential penalties. This is called a first appearance. And when you go to court the very first time for a first appearance, you shouldn't expect to speak to a prosecutor about these serious charges because the prosecutor won't necessarily and almost certainly won't have your paperwork. The police officer that was involved in this investigation may not even be on duty. The sole reason for this first appearance is to be advised of what you're charged with, the potential penalties, and your right to counsel, because these do carry consequences of magnitude if they're serious enough. After that, there's a period of time that will allow your attorney to obtain the police reports and any other records that will be useful in preparing a defense for you. We need to know what the police are claiming oftentimes before we can try to poke holes in it or raise defenses to those charges. Then, approximately 30 days after the first appearance, there might generally be a pretrial conference where we would appear in court together in front of the judge, and I will have spoken to the prosecutor, and we will have discussed any issues that arise pertaining to matters such as information we have not yet received, or pretrial motions to suppress evidence or statements that were made, or to compel additional information the prosecutor may not want to voluntarily give to you. That would be conducted at a pretrial conference. Then, there's some additional time that's granted to a defendant and the attorney to prepare for a trial, or to put this case in the best possible posture for plea negotiation if it's permitted under the rules of court. That is generally what you might expect for a serious motor vehicle or disorderly persons offense that's heard in the municipal court. I'm Richard R. Uslan. For over 30 years, providing dedicated, competent, and effective service in criminal, municipal court, and DWI matters. For more information, visit my website or call me or another experienced, dedicated attorney.